Imagine if your roof could quietly power your entire home using nothing but sunlight. No fuel, no moving parts, no smoke. But here's the real mystery. How do solar panels generate electricity from something as simple as sunlight? The answer lies in a remarkable scientific discovery that transforms tiny particles of light into usable electrical power, and it's more fascinating than most people realize. Every second, the sun sends billions of tiny packets of energy called photons toward Earth. Inside every solar panel are hundreds of photovoltaic cells, made primarily from silicon. When photons hit these silicon cells, they knock electrons loose from their atoms. This movement of electrons creates an electric current, the same type of electricity that powers your lights, TV, and phone charger. This incredible process is known as the photovoltaic effect. Discovered more than 180 years ago and still powering the clean energy revolution today. Here's something many people don't know. Solar panels don't actually store sunlight. Instead, they instantly convert light into direct current, or DC electricity. But most homes use alternating current, known as AC. That's where an inverter comes in. It converts DC into AC, making the electricity safe and ready for everyday appliances. And yes, solar panels still generate electricity on cloudy days. They simply produce less because fewer photons reach the cells. Today, millions of homes, businesses, and even spacecraft rely on solar energy. A single hour of sunlight reaching Earth contains more energy than humanity uses in an entire year. As solar technology becomes more efficient and affordable, it is helping reduce carbon emissions and reshape the future of electricity around the world. So the next time you see sunlight shining on a rooftop, remember it's not just light, it's clean, renewable electricity being created one photon at a time. If you enjoyed learning how solar panels generate electricity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And tell us in the comments, would you install solar panels on your home? Why or why not? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary. If you like this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe.